Okay guys, staking is one of the ways you can make money in cryptocurrency. Don't you have a PC and you're not earning and you're into cryptocurrency? So there are other ways you can earn in crypto, and one of the ways is staking. Now I want to show you one of the products I'm using to earn using staking mechanisms. Now I'll be taking you to a project called Xian. Xian is a new blockchain that is built using Python programming language. Now if you remember the last video, I showed you guys how to add a wallet to your Chrome extension. So use that same method to add Xian wallet into your Chrome extension when you have Xian. So all you need to do is to make sure you buy Xian, right? So if you notice here in my interface, I have Xian wallet already. So just go ahead, use the same method I showed you in the video. If you have not watched my video, just go back. I've already done a video on how to add wallet to your Chrome extension. Use that same method and add Xian to your wallet. Now when you're there, so you will need a password. So just create your password, create your wallet. I've already shown how to do that. So let me simply do this. Okay, so I just open my wallet and I have some Xian here. The next thing is for you to head down to Xian DEX. Just click on Xian DEX to be able to connect your wallet to Xian DEX. Now this Xian DEX enable you to connect from your Xian wallet to your Xian DEX. So it's in the DEX that you can now do the staking. Now how you can buy Xian, you can use the Xian DEX to, if you have Solana, you can bridge your Solana from your Solana to Xian, then use that Xian now to carry out this thing I want to show you now. So just imagine you have you can buy as many as maybe $50, $100 depending on your capacity, right? And you're able to use the staking profile. The staking profile makes you earn more Xian, and you can bridge that Xian into Solana and sell it and make your money. So right now I'm in the Xian ecosystem, the DEX. So I just need to, first of all, I need to connect my wallet. So that's what I'm doing now. I just connected the wallet and I've been doing staking. So let me just go to the staking protocol and see. So, and you earn weekly, right? So if you stake this, if you stake today, so after 7 days, you'll be able to, come and claim your reward. So you can see I have a reward here. I need to claim 160. This is just because I'm staking 3,344. So I just click on claim. Right, I will click on accept. I just wait for it to. Alright, you can see the claiming is successful, right? The claiming is successful. So the next thing is I want to stake it back. Now let me go back to the wallet and see if it has arrived. Yeah, it has arrived. So I now have 217. Now let me go back to the Xian DEX. I'll go back to Xian DEX. I want to stake, enter the amount to stake. I want to stake 3440. Alright, then I'll click on stake. It will ask me to approve the quantity. Alright, I'll just click on accept. Just wait. So the staking, so that is just for me to accept this. Click on accept. So the deposit is submitted. You can see I've already staked now. So after 7 days I can come back here and claim my Xian. So if you're looking for other ways you can make money, just go ahead, use this method, buy enough Xian and make sure you stake using the Xian DEX, and you'll be able to earn weekly, right? And weekly. This particular one you have here, you can go ahead to bridge it. You can see we have the bridge section here. If you come to bridge, you can bridge from Solana, from Xian to Solana, but I don't want this video to be long. You can see that's what I don't want to go ahead with that. You can see from Xian to Solana. So imagine you making a lot of Xian every week. You'll be able to bridge it to Solana and you go and sell it in any centralized exchange. That's how you make money using the DEX system in cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed on my video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you follow me, then like and share this video to people. Let the algorithms be able to take this video to those that really need it more. To make money in 2026, no be play, you have to position strategy. Bye for now.